Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica. It has been about a year since I've updated my channel. I've had a very busy year and I just have not had any time to record videos, but now I do. So here I am and I'm so happy to be back. I am going to share a very simple, low maintenance hair care routine that I use to keep my hair bright white. If you've seen my other videos, you'll see that I have another routine that I used in the past, but it was time consuming and I just have not had very much time to really focus on my hair. So I've had to cut down my routine a lot. And what I'm doing is working. I'm so happy. My hair is stayed white. And so I'm going to share this quick routine with you. I hope it works for you like it worked for me. I'm going to show you the shampoos that I use and then I'll explain the routine. So right now I'm using Dove shampoo. This one is an intensive repair shampoo. My hair has been shedding, and so I'm using the intensive repair shampoo because it's supposed to strengthen your hair from the inside and make it nice and strong. And if you've been watching my videos, you know that I love this purple shampoo, the Germac Silver Brightening Shampoo, and the Germac Silver Brightening Conditioner. So now I'm going to explain exactly how I keep my hair from turning yellow and how I keep it bright white. I wash my hair twice a week. It may be different for you. If you have oily hair, you may have to wash your hair more often, or if your hair is drier, you may have to wash your hair once a week. So it's going to depend on what works best for you. Twice a week works best for me, so that's what I do. I double shampoo. I start with the Dove shampoo and I apply it to my scalp. Put this down. So I apply it to my scalp and I really focus on my scalp, massaging the shampoo into my scalp so I can loosen up any dirt, any oil, and once I'm done, I rinse off the Dove shampoo. Then I apply my purple shampoo, but this time I focus on my strands of hair. So I just apply it all over, bring it to a lather, and I let it sit for about a minute or two. And then I rinse off my shampoo. Then it's time to condition. So I apply my conditioner all over my hair and I let it sit for 2 minutes. Then I rinse it off and I'm done with my hair washing routine. And I use my purple shampoos twice a week. Make sure that you do not use your purple shampoo or conditioner more than twice a week. The purple shampoo can be very drying. When I started on my journey, I was really nervous about using the purple shampoo too often, so I was using it once a month. I would use the conditioner once a week and then I used the shampoo once a month. But I experimented and using the purple shampoo and the conditioner twice a week has worked really well for me. It has not dried my hair out. Just make sure if you're using this brand to use the shampoo and the conditioner. The conditioner really helps soften it up and makes it feel soft and silky. So if you are using another brand of purple shampoo, you may have to adjust how often you use it. You may only be able to use your purple shampoo once a week. This formula is very light. The purple is very light. It's not that, like really dark. It does not stain anything. It has never stained my hair. So it's safe using it twice a week. Just don't use it more than that if you're using this brand. And like I said, it just depends on the brand. You may have to adjust accordingly. Once a month, I use a hair whitening mask. It's a hydrogen peroxide mix and it really helps keep the yellow away. I used to use it weekly. I don't have time for that anymore. So now I use it once a month. I highly recommend that you use a water filter. It filters out any chemicals, metals, sediments, filters everything out and you get nice clean water. When I started my transition, my hair was turning yellow, and I believe it was because of the water. We used well water. So I purchased a water filter. I ordered one on Amazon for $30. It's $40 now. The brand that I use is called the Pure Action Luxury Filtered Shower Head with the handheld hose. There's so many different ones. You can go to the Facebook groups. Everybody's always recommending different brands. Get that water filter. It does not cost very much, and you're going to be so glad you did, because it's going to keep your hair from turning yellow. And another big thing that I do is I do not apply any type of heat to my hair. And I know a lot of you like to curl your hair or straighten your hair. I used to do that all the time, and that's probably why my hair was so fried and it was in terrible condition. And I haven't used it for a year. I haven't wanted to use it or needed to use it. I do use a hair dryer, but I use it on the cool setting. What I do is I'll take my shower and I'll get ready and have my breakfast and put my makeup on and do what I need to do. And by that time my hair is about 80 to 90% dry, and then I just use the hair dryer really quick and I'm done. So it doesn't slow me down, but I guess it just depends on how early you wake up and if you're willing to do other things before you get to your hair. Now, there are a few other things that I do outside of my home to keep my hair bright white. So this is also super important. It's not going to take any extra time to do. When I go outside, I always wear my sun hat. Grab it. Now, I like this one because it has a really big brim. It covers everything. My hair has gotten really long, so now it's sticking out a little more. So what I will do is I just kind of tuck it in at the back and make sure that my hair is completely covered. So if I'm going to be outside for more than 5 minutes, I will wear the hat. If I'm out there for 5 minutes, or I go to the grocery store and I park and I walk from my car to the store and back, well, I'm not going to put the hat on. I tried that once actually, and I almost lost my hat at the store. So I don't wear my hat if I'm going to be outside for 5 minutes or less. If I'm going to be outside for more than 5 minutes, I put my hat on. It is a simple thing to do. It takes only half a second, and it doesn't cost anything, and it's quick and easy, and it's going to protect your hair. So wear either a hat like this or a cap. I've heard of some people who will braid their hair or put it up in a bun, and then you can just tuck it under your baseball cap. If you're wearing winter hats right now, same thing. Just make sure to tuck your hair underneath the winter hat, or even tuck it in your coat. But protect your hair from the sun by wearing a hat. Another thing that I do is I make sure to protect my hair from air pollution. I know that we can't protect our hair from everything. And right now, there's dust falling on my hair. The air conditioner turned on. It's probably blowing all kinds of junk into my hair right now. I go outside. Who knows what's blowing around in the air? So there's a lot of air pollution around us all the time. But the type of air pollution I am talking about is like the air pollution like when someone's smoking and you're right there and the smoke is just getting soaked up into your hair. Or barbecue smoke. You're having a barbecue and the grill is on and it's blowing this smoke, and it just so happens to blow in your way. On days when I'm visiting a family member who smokes, or if we're going to a barbecue, I make sure to reserve my hair washing days for those days, so that way when I get home I immediately wash it off. And if I've already used up my 2 hair washing days, I'll add in an extra day just to get that air pollution out of my hair. All that junk that's been soaked up into my hair is not going to stay there. I'm not going to let that stay there. I come home and I wash it off. That is it. That's what's worked for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.